Applying for a U.S. immigrant visa can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the 4 key steps that happen right after your I-130 is approved, all the way to submitting your Ds260. Let's begin. Part 1. What happens after you submit the I-130? Voiceover. Once your I-130 petition is approved by USCIS, it doesn't go straight to the embassy. First, it's sent to the National Visa Center, or NVC. This is where your case officially begins for visa processing. Show, sample approval notice and NVC welcome letter. You'll receive a case number that starts with 3 letters, like ISL for Islamabad or MNL for Manila. These letters tell you where your interview will take place. Tip: write down your case number and keep it safe. You'll use it throughout the process. Part 2. What is the National Visa Center, NVC? Voiceover. The NVC acts like a middleman between USCIS and the U.S. Embassy. They collect your fees, forms, and documents, and make sure everything is complete before they schedule your visa interview. Show, nvc.state.gov graphic, fee invoice, document checklist. You'll get an email or letter from NVC telling you what to do next. You'll need to log into the CEAC website to start the next steps. Tip: always check your email's spam folder in case NVC messages land there. Part 3. Ds260 form, your online visa application. Voiceover. The Ds260 is your online immigrant visa application. It's long, but don't rush through it. Answer everything honestly and double-check your spelling. Show, sample Ds260 login page. You'll need your case number and invoice ID to log in. Save your application number, you'll need it later. Important sections. Your full name, exactly as on your passport. Your travel and address history. Petitioner details security and medical questions. Tip: print the confirmation page after submitting. You must bring it to your interview. Part 4. Affidavit of Support, Form I864. Voiceover. Now let's talk about financial sponsorship. Your petitioner, usually your spouse or parent, must show they can financially support you in the U.S. This is done through Form I864. Show, sample I864 form with annotations. They'll also need to submit a copy of their latest federal tax return, W-2s, and if needed, a letter from their employer or bank statements. If your sponsor's income isn't enough, a joint sponsor can file a separate I-864 to help. Sample call. Hi Mom, I need a copy of your tax return and W-2s for my visa interview. Can you email them to me today? Closing section, summary final tips. Voiceover. Let's review the 4 steps we covered today. I-130 approval leads to NVC. NVC collects your documents and fees. You fill out the Ds260. Your sponsor submits the I-864 Affidavit of Support. On-screen list summary with icons. You're now well on your way to your immigrant visa interview. In our next video, we'll guide you through how to prepare for the interview itself, from medical exams to documents. On-screen text. Watch Part 2. Preparing for your visa interview. For official updates, visit nvc.state.gov.